My name is Umi. I'm 41 years old. I am from Malaysia. I am a working mother. I know Nano trainer from my friend. She want to form a group for swimming class, so I just joined her. I take with Nano trainer 5 sessions. I learn swimming, dog paddle, Superman swimming, backstroke, freestyle, breathing in the water, straight kicking, and many more. She is very patient with us. She tell us what mistakes to avoid, what we have to do. So it gives us more advantage of lifelong learning through the additional videos that we can practice at home. This is a bonus for us. Not only during the session, we can practice more at home. There are many benefits of swimming. It can increase your stamina, give you good health, it can reduce your weight, and give you free will. You will feel more confident in the water, especially in deep water if you know how to swim. With a good coach, you will be more confident learning swimming. Swimming definitely boosts your confidence and make you glowing.